Hey kids, and welcome to day 2 of A Very Windows Christmas. Oh yeah, we're back with A Very Windows Christmas, hooray! And so for day 2 of A Very Windows Christmas, I hinted this in day 1, which if you haven't watched day 1, you probably should. I hinted at the end of day 1 that I was going to be doing a casual installation and exploration of Windows Vista. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So again, it's on burn of this very legit disk, and yeah. So, what do you say? Shall we get started? Well, sure, let's do that. So we're going to turn it on, pop the disk tray out, slot it in there, put it back in there, and there we go. We've gone through this again. We just like the XP process. We've gone through this this setup process, maybe even more than the XP setup process. Pretty sure we don't need our product key here, and I'm gonna choose like I don't know. I'm gonna attempt to choose Ultimate. Oh yeah. If you're wondering why there was 3 partitions, I'm planning to keep each of them for each of the different releases. So this one is for XP, this one is for Vista, and this one is for 7. So, yeah. In case you were wondering, yes, I wiped the XP partition clean and just, yeah. So, and the unallocated space is just gonna be for like experimental stuff. I don't know, I might make that into its own thing. But yeah, we're gonna go with partition 2 for Vista. There we go. Oh no. Windows cannot install required files. First, okay, why? I guess those plans of, doing that whole triple booting thing, yeah, those fell through. What? The selected disk is inside. What the fuck do you mean? What? Is it because there's files already on there? What the fuck is up with you, Vista? Can we go dry options advanced? Can we delete it? Okay. Okay. And you can't delete it. What the fuck? Alright, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes for Windows PE to boot up, maybe even longer, and I'm just gonna do it all myself. And this also gives us a good chance to look at some Windows PE stuff, huh? So, backstory behind this copy of Windows PE. It is based on Windows 10, and it's probably one of the earlier versions, considering that, dark mode's enabled by default, and it also has Chrome and Opera on it, except very old versions of Opera and Chrome. Chrome 31 and Chrome in Opera 12. And now we wait 5 minutes, like, what, something like 5 minutes for it to boot up. Man. Custom wallpaper that I made in GIMP. And modded Windows PE to include it. By default. Samsung OEM Windows XP sounds, aka fake Longhorn sounds. Yep, it has loaded. It has loaded, for sure. You gotta wait for this portableapps.com thing. It's gotta... yeah, it's gotta... okay, well, whatever. Portableapps.com, yeah, we don't need you. Actually, there was a disk imager on there. That would have been really nice. But I'm just going to use the standard old command prompt. Ooh, 2013. Oh, Jesus Christ. So, disk 0. And clean. There we go. See, Windows Vista, it isn't so bad. Alright, we can swap out our discs. Do you think I was scratching the discs? I don't know. Hopefully not. There we go. And next. No. Ultimate. I've selected. Next. I accept. Next. Custom. Now some more truth. And there you go. It seems okay. There we go. Hopefully we should be off. Okay, there we go. So, this is always my name, not T, not just T, TWF, and we don't need a password, and with the user picture, we'll keep it at the flower. Oh, name, of course, is gonna have to be TOSH, Tosh. And I always have to go with this background because it is peak as hell. Oh god, we're gonna go through the whole Windows Experience Index thing. Yeah, there you go. So, yeah, I always felt like this is a very stupid place to put it because, like, we don't have any drivers yet, so, like, we're gonna get a lower score, you know? Like, yeah. There's our startup sound. Log on sound. There we go. So this is our welcome center. Yeah. Very nice. I feel like this would be a good thumbnail shot. I never really liked the sidebar. It clutters up a little too much. So yeah. This is the Windows Vista on the $80 Toshiba Satellite. It has really no graphics drivers. It has a sound driver, though. But I mean, again, just like XP, the laptop was never designed with Windows Vista in mind. What we got here? Internet Explorer. Which version we got? Seven. Oh, for some reason, it still displays the old logo, the XP logo right there. I don't know why it does that. Windows Media Center. Wouldn't this be a... Yeah. Oh no, low battery, 0%. Yeah, of course it's always at 0%. There's the battery's like dudzo. Core TV. Yo, we got some movie clips on here. We're gonna go with the National Geographic special. Yeah, okay, fine. Can we get out of here? Close. Yeah, of course it's gonna say that. What else we got here? Oh yeah, Windows Movie Maker. Okay, no. Accessories. Of course, we got calculator, command prompt, notepad, paint. I wonder if I could still pull off the Bush hid the facts thing. Always found it kind of stupid how you can't have any sort of like like there's no preview showing what other files are in there. It's just, yeah, hey, this is all you're getting. Fuck you. You gotta just call Bush. Okay, well, so that was disappointing. Guess they fixed it. And we got paint. This is kind of a mishmash between the XP version and the 7 version. Yep, there's your Vista logo, everyone. Nah. Interesting they got run in the accessories. Snipping tool, sound recorder. Probably not gonna work because. Wait, no. What the fuck? Hello? Yeah, it's not gonna work. Okay, fine. Ease of access. Games. We're gonna play Purple Place. Just kidding, we're gonna play Inkwell. It's gonna get kind of hard with these graphical limitations. They're gonna get in there eventually. Just let them do their thing. Oh, you bitch. No. No, you get... No. Come on now. Get in there. Get in the hole. Oh, I did it. They call me an inkball master. Come on now. Get up there. No, damn it. It's really hard to do this with these graphical limitations. No, what the hell, man? There you go, I did it. I did it. I beat Inkball. That's gonna attract all the ladies. Definitely. Chess Titans. How to play. Okay, yeah, I know everything. Except I actually don't, and I'm freaking out. I don't want this how to play shit. Okay. Don't save. And now a moment of truth. Will it be able to launch Solitaire? It did it. It did it, everyone. Everyone's Vista ain't as bad as you thought. Except that it is very slow, but that's because we don't have the proper graphics drivers. Yeah, there's no aces. I give up. I give up. Okay. I'm a very give-up-y kind of guy, you know? We got Minesweeper. Advance. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. I'm an advanced player. Always go with the corners. They're the corners are never safe. How do you lose on the first try? It's like that had to happen by chance. Okay, one. There's one mine nearby. Is it here? Oh, I see. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Well, whatever. Yeah, we got Spire Solitaire, but I don't give a shit about that. Maintenance and startup, yeah. Well, that's pretty much all we got here. I mean, if we don't count the control panel. I mean, look at this, so fun. Yeah. So, I think that will wrap it up for day 2 of A Very Windows Christmas. This footage is 51 minutes long, so I don't know. I don't know how long the video will be. But hey, you know, it's fine. Well, anyways, that'll do it for day 2 of A Very Windows Christmas. See you on day 3, where we'll do a casual installation and exploration of Windows 7. Bye.